Hello everyone, I'm Tip. Today I'm gonna cook steamed egg, a healthy dish you can have any times a day. I use the egg, cooked chicken, shiitake mushroom, chicken stock, soy sauce, and sake. First, I start to whisk the egg. And then put the chicken stock in. And then soy sauce and sake. For the serving bowl, we put the cooked chicken in and mushroom in. And then add the mix on top. And then we put in the iCook wok for steam it for 10 minutes. That's it, simple. Oh, now it's ready. We turn off the heat and then garnish with the parsley. And now we're ready to eat. Easy healthy meal cooked in the iCook wok.